Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Atlas from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the top of the snout with a large curve across. Then let's add a bump up and down on the right side. And a smaller one on the left. And then let's curve it down. Now underneath each of the bumps, let's add a sideways curve, leaving it open, and a larger one on the right side. Now from the bottom left, let's curve it over, then curve it up at the end. Now inside on the left, let's add 3 small circles. And then on the right side, let's draw 2 down on an angle. And then 3 next to it. And that's it for the snout. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. On top, let's draw a curve up. Bring it over to the right. Down. And then in. Now inside, let's add a border on the left, across the top, and down on the right side. Now let's add 2 ovals inside for the eyes. And then a curve on top for the eyebrows. Now let's hop out and let's continue the shape of the head. On the left, let's add another curve up. Let's bring it over to the right side. And then from the end, let's angle it down. Next, we're going to hop on top and let's draw a rounded rectangle shape on the left. And then let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's bring it up, over, and down. And then let's add a curve across inside. Now let's hop back down and let's draw a long line down on the right side. And then from the end of the mouth, let's curve it across. Now that's it for the upper part of the body. Now let's hop underneath and let's add the mouth. Let's start on the bottom left and let's add a rectangle shape for the first tooth. And then a larger one on the right here. Now underneath, let's add a curve across. And then at the end, let's bring it out to the edge. Now inside the mouth, let's draw 2 more teeth coming up from the bottom here. And now for the back of the mouth, let's add 2 angles up inside. And then on the right side, let's add a curve down. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop underneath and let's continue the body. On the left, let's bring it down and curve it in. And bring it over to the right side. Now let's add an angle down to close off the body. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop underneath and draw the feet. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve down. Bring it over to the right and back up. And add 2 small curves inside at the bottom. Now for the next foot, let's draw 2 curves down on the right here. And close off the foot. And again, 2 curves inside. Now let's add 1 more foot at the back. Let's curve it down and bring it in. And again, 2 small curves at the bottom. And that's it for Atlas. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!